Today I'm trying for the first time a halo base from WestMan Shaving, and also I'm gonna go with Yaki Mercury. Well, you might have seen out there, Tiago has put a new base. This is a vegan base, and yeah, this is Habitus, and a newest release from him. Many people have said that it might have been his best formula ever, even better than the animal-based, tallow-based soaps and base. So I'm interested to seeing this. And when I saw the release, I decided to buy, to experiment, to try. And yeah, why not? And then put into test. So this is the pour. The scent is relatively strong. I mean, strong, yeah, relatively strong, medium strong out of the buck. It is maybe talky. It's like a darker scent, maybe good for like winter, spring vibe. Not spring, sorry, autumn vibe, winter. Dark, talky. I don't know actually all this soap, well, the olfactive pyramid, but well, I'll let you read for it for yourself. But honestly, to me, based on other soaps that are out there, even from WestMan, even from Tiago, this is not my favorite scent soap. It's not my cup of tea, honestly. But this is very, very subjective. People love different types of scent. So this is just a preference, and I know that Tiago is going for some other soaps in this very same base. So just read for yourself the notes and see if that's for you. If it is, go try it out. But based on the soaps that I currently have, that currently own, and also even from Tiago himself, just from smelling, that's not a soap that I would reach for quite often. But as I said, many people are really saying it's an amazing scent, and I don't doubt it. And I'm going for the Yaki Mercury. This is a head. They sell only the head, for example, and very, very inexpensive. In euros or dollars, it's around like $6, $6. So it's a zinc alloy, and I've been trying some other of their razors, their newest releases, like the slant adjustable, which are amazing, phenomenal. But those are like CNC stainless steel, and so they're in a different price range. So this one super inexpensive, and just like any other like 3-piece razor, you can use any handle. You can have this handle. This is actually also from Yaki Bullet, but also you can even use whichever handle you have at your disposal. So I'm going to be using this one. This is a kind of a mimic of the Lord something. I don't remember the name, but this is a Super Barba gold medal branded for a Brazilian brand. But I think this is made by Lord, or Lord has one just like this. Very inexpensive razor. So that's what I'm going to be using. And for the so we're gonna be using like pairing matching splashes and soap. This is the nourishing splash, by the way. Tiago makes also another type of splash, which I don't recall the name, but yeah. And I'm gonna be lathering with my Yaki. I think that's the red tea. Also a release from Yaki on a tribute to the tea culture. So they have like the white tea, green tea, red tea, iced tea. So this is a 24mm synthetic knot. The knot is different from the other teas. So that's the one I'll be using today, and that's going to be today's shave. As always, I'm gonna, oh yeah, by the way, the blade I'm gonna be using, since I'm going for like a new razor, I'm gonna be using a blade that I'm familiar with, and I know how it behaves in many of my razors. One of the blades maybe that I've used for, I mean, the blade that I might have most used, I guess, might have used the most. So I think that's gonna be today's shave. I'm just gonna prep, load, lather, and I'll see you after my shave as well for my considerations. So that was today's shave. It was a phenomenal shave. I must say that. Well, let's kick off, why not, with the WestMan Habitus. In my opinion, I mean, you've seen the leather, it exploded, and even on my third pass, like I was squeezing the brush, there was a lot of leather, like enough for another 3 passes, and it was really good and dense, thick, shiny. It took a lot of water, so it was a very dense and consistent leather, no air bubbles. It was extremely creamy and dense and protective. It was really nice. Oh, I am really impressed. I agree with everyone who says that Halo is Thiago's best formula so far, even though it's vegan. Me personally, I tend to prefer the tallow-based formulas. That's not a rule, but I do like tallow-based formulas. There are of course amazing soaps out there who which are vegan. However, I mean, this one is really out of the curve. I mean, this one is spectacular, amazing leather and dense, super nice. It took a lot of water. It built a very good creamy leather. So in terms of the leather and protection, I have absolutely nothing to say, and actually that was amazing. However, in my preference, as I just said in the beginning, this Habitus scent, it's not my cup of tea. Honestly, I would prefer some other type of scent, but that's, again, it's something personal. Do read the scent notes and see if that's something for you. If it is, go ahead for it. If it's not, I know that Thiago is releasing a few other soaps in this formula, so just pick a scent profile that you prefer. But it was a phenomenal shave, and the aftershave, just like 1-2 minutes in, and it's completely dry, is absorbed completely. The witch hazel protects the skin. It's also, soothes, protects the skin against any, antibacteria and protection, everything that we want in a moisturizing and healing to the shaved area. So everything that we look for in a aftershave. So to the Halo and to this aftershave, I have absolutely nothing to say. Moving to the razor, it was a very good shave. Honestly, you can see some blade exposure, if I can say like this. However, it is not like super aggressive. You just see like there's a big gap, but it also sits very easily to find the angle. If you tilt just a little bit up or downwards, you don't feel the blade anymore. So there's like a precise angle you have to lock in and shave. You do feel a little bit more the blade. As I was going my first pass, like this area with the grain, it knocked off all the hair. So it was effective, but it was comfortable. And me as a person who I like a little bit more of a blade feel, to me that was a perfect balance. So I do see myself using this razor in the future. And honestly, like for $6, it's a no-brainer. It's really good, well made. It's a zinc alloy, but it's super well made. A good alternative to other Yaki razors, which are like CNC machine stainless steel, and it's in another price range. So this one, to me, very affordable. And as any 3-piece razor, we just pair it up with any handle length, size, and heft that you might like, you might prefer, you might have at home. So very good. To me, the brush was also nice. Though it's a 24 millimeter, it's very packed, dense. The fibers are dense, so it doesn't splay a lot. There is some backbone. I do prefer a little bit more of a splaying. I do like backbone, but I like when the knots, the tips splay a little bit more and you do the leather. But was really no problem at all. Also, I think would be a good brush for anyone. So, and also, to finish off my Persona blade, which might be the blade I've used the most in my life, and I really like it. Like a good compromise in sharpness, comfort. And I think to me it pairs up with maybe I think every single razor that I own, every shave that I have with this blade, I don't have to think about it. It's a good shave, and it pairs up with very nicely with my other razors. So I think that's it for today's shave. I hope you've liked it, and if you like this content, you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, or consider subscribing. Like this video, share with anyone you think would be appreciating this content. And also leave in the comments below what type of questions, suggestions for future videos, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.